Fun project for today. I bought that. We're going to install it here. So, this truck, we got the fifth wheel hitch for a camper and whatnot and towing. We're going to install that today. To do that, we have to install the bed rails with the bed rail kit. They make a universal one, and to get that, I actually got the Curt specific one for this truck, which just happens to be a 2012 GMC. We're going to go through that here in a minute and get started. The nice part about this truck is, you can see there, it actually already has the holes drilled because the previous owner had a fifth wheel, but he took it. So I got online, talked to Curt, and this is what came in the box. And a bag of bolts with instructions, 2 loose nuts that were floating around in the box that I'm sure I'll need, and then the bed rails, or the plates. So anyways, let's get started. Alright, here's everything in the kit. I don't know if you can see this, but it says professional install here is 40 minutes. Novice is 80. I'm probably closer to that one. This is what we get. It's everything in the kit, right here. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so what I have here is a no drill kit, but if you line that up, you see that only that bolt hole lines up on the top of that. To get the bolt to there, or here, which is up there now, you have to, there's an access port in the back of the chassis here. I don't know if you can see it, maybe, probably right there-ish. You got to feed a wire in there and fish it around using this fancy guy. So this kit comes with these fishing wires. You wind the threads through there, feed the other end of the wire up through the frame, through the hole, with a washer. Give it a shot. So I'm going to attempt this little fish wire up through there somehow. This is going to be really easy. Nope, no it's not. I'm just blindly guessing here. Okay. Well, I got the wire in. We're gonna put that in and feed the bolt through. Ta-da! Better going through this with it. Again. Instructions say to remove the spare tire, so I'm not going to do that. Let's get this off of there, thread that other one on. instructions say on this, to lower the spare tire and temporarily remove it. If you watch any of my videos, you realize I'm not going to do that because I can't. Alright, let's see if we can get this one now over here. This is the same thing as the other one. We're going to thread the bolt into this wire, fancy wire. Now it's going to pull it. We're going to take this guy over here and we're going to feed it through the other side. Now, the kit comes with 2 of these. They get stretched out. I suggest using one per side. If you're lucky, you're one this way, one that way, whatever. Anyways, this chafer points back for the instructions. We're going to go up top and make sure those line up, but I think we'll get this hardware on here. So we'll go up top, make sure this pushes, you know, up flush, right? All right. So the previous guy did not drill perfectly round holes, and it is apparent. Put their holes. So I didn't have to measure everything. You can get the measurements for these actually in the paperwork. So previous owner did not drill perfectly round holes, but they'll work. I don't know, it looks like he used a torch. Anyways, all right. So I got one more bolt over there and grab, and then we'll throw it on here and hopefully go up underneath. See, this is the reverse of that. The shim will have to go underneath. There's the horseshoe shims we'll throw on there and get those on. Cool. Next. Okay, back throwing time. All right. All right. Using this as a template, plate, whatever. Both holes should be pretty much lined up. Exceptions. Figure it out, but anyways. So next, we're going to get the shims and the bolts or the nuts on. That's going pretty well. I got all the bolts in. That took way too long. Let me just show you how big of a challenge these are to get to. If I had to rate this project, I'd probably rate it pretty easy, except the bolts. So, you gotta tighten those two after you put a shim above them on each one. You gotta tighten that one and that one. This one you can get from this way. The other one you can get from the front over there. It's almost impossible. Put the shim on the top of those. That one was pretty easy. Those two up there, you push the shield out of the way to make it easier. And then these two guys hidden up here, these are kind of tough to get also. Those you gotta do a shim under, or in between also. And then there's one directly above me in the center. Whatever. I did not take the tire out. I did not take the heat shield off. It's supposed to take, the directions say, a novice 80 minutes, expert 40. Those bolts took 40 minutes by themselves. The rest installing it, I didn't have to drill the holes, but that would have taken like another 10 minutes tops. So, I don't know. All in all, project's pretty easy. So, alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next project.